Hey guys, it's Walter Goldman speaking. Today I'm going to show you how you can easily create your own website for free. It's going to be step-by-step tutorial for beginners. So don't worry, everything will be explained as easily as it can even be, and by the end of this tutorial you will know exactly how to create your own website for free. So let's get started. We will start by looking at a web page that we are going to create. It will look somehow like this page. It will have a nice little headline. It will have some pages like sample page, home page, blog, news. It will have this area where your content will be shown. It will have an archive, it will have a search, and it will have an administration where you can create your own content without any knowledge. You will just write what you want to say to the world and click. That's all you will need to administer your website. So what are we going to do now? We are going to discuss what you will need. You will need a domain and hosting. Domain is your own name on the internet. It's going to be like myperfectwebsite.com or mylittlepuppy.net or buymeacupofcoffee.com. It depends only on you. You can create your own name, and that's the name which users will use to find you online. It's like google.com or yahoo.com. You will have to make up it for you. And then you are going to need a hosting. Hosting is a place on the internet where your website will be stored, and this place is connected to the internet 24 hours a day, so your users can find you anytime they want. So to get the domain and hosting, we are going to use a HostGator.com. As you can see, I have chosen the HostGator.com since I'm using HostGator and I'm pretty satisfied, and it's probably the best hosting in the United States. You can see they have a lot of awards. They are #1 in the United States. They are online all the time. They have a wonderful support. They just have everything you need. So we click web hosting. Okay, so we can choose from many plans. It depends on purpose of your website. Do you want just simple website for yourself or your interest? You will use a Hatchlink plan. Do you want a website, say, for your group or for some large use? It will be used by a lot of users. You choose a baby plan. And if you are planning to use your website to some business and you want a lot of customers to see your website, you use a business plan. As you can see, here is a 20% off discount, which is pretty good, but I show you a little trick how you can get even more discount. Well, let's start a Hatchling plan. Click order now. Here is a few steps we need to fulfill. Okay, so we want to register a new domain. So here is going to be your perfect domain online. Okay, that's your name on the internet. if someone writes this into the internet, they will find your website. Okay, here is the smallest package, and here is for how long do we want to order. So you can choose 1 month, 6 months, a year, or up to 3 years actually. Well, who buys a website for 1 month and who buys a website for 36 months? I would recommend you, and it's good practice on the internet, to order a 12 month, or if you want to just test it, try a 6 month. Okay, then you have to choose your account. So your username, for example, my username is going to be Goldman, and I choose my security pin. It's any number, just any number you want. And then you have to provide them your billing information. Okay, so you type in your email. My email is goldmanwalter.com. My first name is Walter. My last name is Goldman. My home phone, I have to provide my home phone. Okay, that's not a problem. They will not call you, it's just for security reason. So you write your home phone, your address, city, state, zip code, country, and then you have to enter your credit card information or pay with a PayPal. Okay, so my name is Walter Goldman and my credit card number is this. Okay, you are now thinking how stupid I am putting my card information online. It's not my actual credit card, but just to give you an idea how to create it. Okay, and here they are giving you some hosting add-ons. We don't need them, they are just waste of the money. Don't use it. And then you can provide a coupon, which is good, because I'm going to give you a coupon for a 25% discount, which I googled online, and you can try while you're seeing this video if it still works, and I hope it will actually. Oh, see, here is our review. So we got a phone, live chat and email support for free. We got instant account activation for free, money back guarantee 45 days. That's good. And then we have our 6-month package. We have our 25% off, so this coupon is still valid, and we have to click that we have read and agree the terms of condition, and then we click create account. Okay, so while you do this, you are going to receive an email. So here is the email I received. It says, "Hello Walter Goldman, thank you for your order with HostGator." Which is good. I have a hosting and I have a domain. That's great. We take a look at our presentation. We finished this first step. We have a domain, we have a hosting, and we get a 25% off, which is pretty good. Now we need to create this website with our website management system. We are going to use a WordPress. It's the best management system out there, and it's used by a lot of people, a lot of companies. It's completely for free, and you can use it as long as you want, and it's really great. So let's take a look how to do it. We are going back here to our email. It says your control panel is here. I open it in a new window. Okay, here is a control panel. I have to provide a username. Oh, my username is Goldman, and my password is this ridiculous combination. It's a ridiculous combination because it has to be safe. Okay, so I provide my password and I click login. Login successful. That's great. And now we are logging in to our control panel where we can create our website. We scroll down through all of this stuff, which is just boring and you don't even need to understand what does it all mean. You can just simply use your website, write your own content, don't give a care about this. So we go down to software and services and click this quick install. Once we click it, we are going to be offered a lot of choices to install. Some of them are paid, some of them are bad, but we are going to use the best there is, WordPress. So we click WordPress. As you can see, it's 22 megabytes, version 3.1. Okay, we click continue. Now we have a option where do we want to install our WordPress application. I want to install it on my domain bossgroup.info. So I have to provide some information like administrator email. It's going to be your email, so I put my email here. And blog title, I don't know, you can write whatever. My website is online. Admin user is going to be me, so let's say Goldman. First name is Walter, last name is Goldman. Now we click install now, and quick install is going to create this installation for us, which is really good, and we get another email. So if we go back to our email, it's going to give us another email with our username, our password, and our website, which is great. So take a look at our website. And while we wait a little bit, our website is going to be created now. So for the first time, it may take a few minutes or a few seconds to load. So this is your website. It has a search, it has some pages, it has comments, archive, it has some categories, but it doesn't look so good. So what we are going to do, we are going to little bit create it better. Okay, so we need to go to our administration. So we open our administration, which is here. If you press or write this address, your domain / WordPress admin, it's your administration. That's the place where you will be writing your own content. So we need to give here our username and our own password. Okay, click login. Once we log in, we will see an administration where we can add our own content, we can do whatever we want, we can manage our website. All this we got for free. As you can see, we can post, we can add pages, we can delete or update comments, we can create users, we can do a lot of stuff and a lot of customization, but we get to it a little bit later. Now we are going to change the appearance of our site. As you can see now, it's a little bit boring, and I promised you a nice website. So we are going to do is we are going to install a theme. So click appearance, click themes, then click install theme button, and here you can choose or you can search for a lot of themes. We click future because I believe that's the best we can get, and look at it. Here we have a lot of themes we can use. You like this theme, this theme, this theme? You can choose as many as you want, but we wanted this theme in this tutorial, so we click install now. It's going to take some time because it has to download the theme, then it has to install the theme and activate everything, but you can just wait, you don't have to do anything, which is good. Once it's installed, it will tell you successfully installed the theme Montezuma. So we need then click to activate, which will activate the theme for your website, and you will see it on your website. It will take a few times, but it's almost there. Nice. So we get the website, and if we go to our website, our domain, our name on the internet, and now we hit F5 or refresh, we get this website as I promised. So your own name, your own page is here, your recent post, recent comments, archive, categories, searching. You have everything you need to create content on your website, and we got all this software for free, and it was very easy, right? So just to give you an idea how to create content, I walk you through with some of the features your administration has. So let's say you want to add pages here, okay? So you go to pages and click add page. So let's say contact, and here is my contact information. Walter Goldman. Please contact me at goldman.walter@gmail.com, and you click publish, and that's it. You create your site with your own content. So take a look. Here, your contact page. Once you click it, you go to your page. Here is my contact information. People can leave you a reply. Oh, this is a great website. Post comment. See, and you have a comment here. So, well, maybe just we have a little time, I give you a few more advice. You can do anything with your website here from your administration. I will upload more videos about how to do stuff here, but if you don't want to wait or you want something special, you can always use this welcome in your administration, which will guide you through everything you will need to create content and manage your site. So let's take a final look at our website. Say to ourselves, yes, I'm really good. I create my website today at 20 minutes. It only took 20 minutes to create this website. I'm really cool. Guys, you are really good. You are great. You made it and you have your own website. That's great. So I want to thank you all for watching this video. I hope I helped you a little bit, and I see you soon at my other videos which are going to come a little bit later. Have a great day. Goodbye.